Hello, morning. Hope you're all safe and well. Basically, what I've done here, I've done a little video clip regarding a day's judging roller canaries in Leeds. I hope you enjoy the clip. It just shows from a basic overview, really. It's only 10 minutes, but it was nice to see the guys in Leeds. The video was shot just before Christmas, December 2021. Really enjoyed the day. Hope you enjoyed the clip. See you later, guys. Stay safe. Thank you. Morning. First day of the bird show. First bird show for a couple of years now. Wow, I forgot how early it was. It's about 4:30 in the morning. A little bit on the late side, really. But anyway, intention for the day. Let's enjoy it. Thank you. Morning, Kevin. Morning, Kevin.
Morning, Kevin.
There are some places in the world where people didn't get vaccines.
We can eat toast.
All right. Got some petrol. Okay.
Good morning.
How are you?
Terrible, how are you?
Alright, mate.
Number 3, yeah?
Number 3.
30 squids.
Bye, mate.
Yeah. Where are you going?
Leeds. Judges Canaries.
Huh?
Judges Canaries.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
In Leeds.
Yeah.
Good for you.
What?
Good for you.
Alright.
Yeah.
Happy day of it, you know.
And you see, what's his name there?
Yeah.
What's his name? The old bodybuilder used to be these budgie guys, is what's his name?
Oh, you mean Jeff Capes?
Jeff Capes. He did you are Canary, wasn't he?
Yeah, he's a budgie black, he is.
Yeah.
You know what, have a good day, Dave.
Alright, kid.
Alright.
Any coaches, Dave? What's up? Not yet.
Yeah, but making steady progress. We're just coming into probably about 10 miles short of Derby. Hang on, what's the sign say here? Walton Towers.
Could be more serious in a family court than a finding of rape.
Right, head closed.
And the child was very young, and that was a really important factor. Had the child been a teenager, I think the judge indicated that she might have had to come to a different decision on applications. But it's important.
Well, I think we're on the right track. I've never ever come into Methley this way before, but I think we're more or less here. I think it's a right and a left. I'm bloody sure it is. Yeah, there it is. I can see British Legion clap. Beautiful. I'm all glad to see you, boys. Just hang a left here. I've got the right day. Yeah, there's a few cars in the car park. Oh, what's going on here? I've seen this before. See how we get on. Yeah, I think I've got the right day. Looks like Ken's car, is it? Let's see how we get on. Here you are, HQ, Northern Roller Canaries. Here's a bat. Anybody?
There you go. D20.
Right. Northern Roller Canary Club.
It's one that I said.
Headquarters.
Hey!
How you doing?
Oh, Gary, all
What,
right.
lads?
Yes, good to see
Yeah.
you.
How you doing?
Gary.
Yeah, good to see you.
Have you,
Nice to see you.
all right. Have you grown or have I shrunk?
Right,
Hey,
The D's, they're all D's.
yeah, well, where's the boss?
There's the judging booths. One on the right, one on the left. I'm on the one on the left.
What the
There you are. Left the sides off for me. At last. Perfect. Absolutely perfect, that is. Perfect. Perfect, this is.
26.
22.
You can have people sitting down here. You can judge the birds. Have guests. Why didn't you think about this before? Perfect.
Come on. Come
Right, James.
Right.
So this is the Northern Roller Canary Club. It's HQ. It's a brilliant venue. Good lads. Good old Jim on the left there with his eye vis on. He's been retired 10 years. Still got the eye vis on. Good lad.
Who's that now?
No.
Hi Bill. Here's Billy Weir feeding the birds. Just judged them, now he's feeding them. You've been doing, how long have you been doing this for, Bill?
70 odd years.
70 odd years.
1950, December 1950 I started.
Fantastic, Bill. And you was a member of the Glasgow club, Scottish club?
The Scottish
Yeah,
and Glasgow.
fantastic. And you've been a member of the BRCA for 70 years plus?
Since 1950, December 1950.
Really? 5 years before I was born, Bill. And I've just retired. Just about to have lunch with Ken. Nice bit of snap. Worth the trip. Is everybody else? This is about the lot now for the BRCA. But it's a nice venue. Wheels down there. John Buckley. Again, it's a lovely warm environment. Highly recommend it. So here's Ari in Westmoreland, the gaffer of the BRCA. Mind what you're saying. She looks fantastic with her hair grey. Looks 20 years younger than before. Keep up the good work, Ari. Well done. There you are, look. We've totted the scores up. We're going to hand the sheet over now to Irene. And they'll hand the prices out. So the best bird on the day was number 18, 51 points. It's probably going to be Darren Pinky, no doubt. Fantastic quality. Let's go and find out who's won. So just hand your shirt over now to show manager. It's all checked, it's all be okay now. And you want to give that to Irene?
Well, seeing as you're on your feet, just pass it over there.
There you go, Irene.
Irene, you've dropped something, dear.
Irene, you dropped a fiver.
These guys will sort it out and hand the prizes out.
What am I doing on my checking list?
No, it'll be alright. Here's Irene doing the sheets. What did I tell you? Darren Pinckney, first prize.
There you go.
Yeah. Fantastic. Just another day in the office, Irene, yeah?
Have you finished?
Jimmy still got that Rochdale coat on?
Yes.
Rochdale Council.
Still giving it some hammer.